Ever wondered how machines like your smartphone or your favorite app seem to know you so well? That's all thanks to something called machine learning. Today, we're going to break down how machines learn, and I promise, no boring math here. Let's jump in! So, what exactly is machine learning? Simply put, it's a way for computers to learn from data rather than being explicitly programmed. Imagine teaching a dog new tricks. You give the dog treats every time it does something right, and over time, it learns what you want. Machine learning works kind of like that. Instead of treats, though, we give the machine lots and lots of data. The more data it sees, the better it gets at recognizing patterns and making decisions. It's like feeding a hungry robot brain. Now, let's talk about two main types of machine learning: supervised and unsupervised. Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. In supervised learning, the machine learns from labeled data, like a student with a teacher. For example, if you wanted to teach a machine to recognize apples, you'd give it a bunch of images labeled apple and not apple. The machine uses this information to learn what an apple looks like. On the other hand, unsupervised learning is a bit more like letting the machine figure things out on its own. You give it a bunch of data but no labels. The machine has to find patterns and group things together, like sorting a box of mixed candies into different flavors. All right, let's look at some real-life examples of machine learning in action. Ever wondered how your email filters out spam? That's machine learning at work! It learns to recognize patterns in spam emails, like certain words or phrases, and automatically sends them to your spam folder. No more junk in your inbox! How about those recommended for you suggestions on Netflix or YouTube? Machine learning analyzes what you've watched before and suggests new content based on that. It's like having a personal movie assistant who knows exactly what you'll love. And let's not forget about facial recognition on your phone. Machine learning helps your device recognize your face, even if you change your hairstyle or wear glasses. It's like your phone saying, "Yep, that's you." So, how do machines actually get better over time? It's all about something called a feedback loop. The machine makes a prediction, checks if it's right or wrong, and then adjusts its approach based on the results. This cycle repeats over and over, helping the machine improve. For example, if a machine is learning to recognize dogs, it might start off making mistakes, like calling a cat a dog. But after a few tries, it learns from those mistakes and gets better at recognizing dogs. Before we wrap up, let's bust a quick myth. Machines aren't magic. They learn through trial and error just like we do. The more data and feedback they get, the smarter they become. But at the end of the day, they're only as good as the data they're given. So no, your computer isn't suddenly going to start thinking on its own. And that's machine learning in a nutshell. From teaching machines like we teach dogs to spam filters and facial recognition, machine learning is all around us. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fun and easy-to-understand AI content. See you next time on Hi. Next time, we'll dive even deeper into the world of AI, so stay tuned.